I love the PEZ guy. He's so cool. All right, let's talk about displays real quick. So, this right here, this is the Halloween box. And you'll see these boxes here that'll hold carded PEZ. And they have these little plastic inserts inside of them. And they allow the PEZ dispensers to stand up. So these boxes here, I know you've probably seen these push-in pieces, and you were wondering why they're there. They're actually to hold in this plastic. It holds it in place. So if you push those out of the way, you can remove this plastic. And they fit perfect side by side inside this display. So you can display that many more PEZ in the new box using these boxes, which you may or may not have. But now you know more about. Ta-da! So until next time. Yeah, I know I didn't do the intro, but you're just so cool.